What's up, everybody? It's your girl Tiran The Goat. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Today I'll be covering the following pairs. Today I'll be covering the following pairs, which is DXY, Usdchf, and also Usdjpy. Just make sure to stay tuned and let's get into it. So we'll be starting with the DXY. Right now, from the DXY, we'll be starting from our daily time frame. On our daily time frame, what do? We mark our highest high and our lowest low. Obviously, we wouldn't mark a high that is very, very high. Why? Because price is just far from it. And then from there, are we able to identify any trend? I am able. Right here, we always look where we are coming from in order to understand where we are going. Right here. So where we coming from? We are coming from an overall bearish trend. This is our last low. What led to this low? It's this lower high right here, which has been taken out or broken. So this might be acting as a retest to cover this imbalance before it even goes up, which simply means that looking at the overall structure, we know that DXY might be targeting this level right here. So we are going down with DXY. But without any further waste of time, let us put our trends on our daily time frame at where we currently are. Now we know where we're coming from. Now we know where we are. So let us move on to our 4-hourly time frame. Moving on to our 4-hourly time frame, let us mark our significant levels right here where price had failure in breaking either above or below for quite some time. We have this level right here. Okay, this level acting as our support and resistance. Then I'll just mark this also as my significant level. And then from here, what do? I take my fib from where this impulse started to where it ended right here. I focus on my level 50. Looking at my level 50, I can see that there is an imbalance that was left out, and also price respected this level for quite some time. So what else can we expect right here, as we are still on top of this zone? It is a correction towards this level right here before we even continue pushing to the downside. If not, if this doesn't happen, we are looking forward to seeing what? To seeing this price having enough momentum to break this level and then correcting, acting as retest at this point, and then continue pushing down. These are our two possible scenarios when it comes to the DXY. So you are looking forward to see this level right here being taken out before you even confirm that it's following this structure, or you are expecting DXY to come and retest our level 50 before we say we are continuing pushing to the downside. So it's a matter of fact of a waiting kind of thing. Let us move on to our USDCHF. Looking at USDCHF, we can see from our daily time frame that we are in an overall downtrend. Why am I saying so? Because we are seeing what? A series of lower lows and lower highs. And us looking at USDCHF, we can see that overall we are in an overall downtrend because we are seeing a series of lower lows and lower highs. Let us mark our highest high. In this case, I'll mark this one right here, and our lowest low, marking this level right here. From here, let me move on to my 4-hourly time frame. Moving on to my 4-hourly time frame, what can I say? Inside our overall downtrend, we are having an uptrend, a small uptrend. In that being said, why am I saying it's a small uptrend? Because it's made up of a series of higher highs and higher lows. Let me clone this. We can say that we have been impulsing to the upside, correcting towards the downside until we started correcting towards the upside, showing a loss of momentum on the buy side, as we are just ranging in this kind of manner at this time and moment. We broke out of the trend. As we broke out of the trend, we are just consolidating towards the upside, and a consolidation to whichever direction it goes to, it simply means it is a loss of momentum in that side. But let us not speak much and take our fib from where this impulse started to where it ended in order for us to see where price has higher chances in turning. In this case, we will focus at our level 50 and 618 and draw a zone on it. Why? Because it is the one that has a much relationship to to price right here. I'll just put it in between like this, as it once acted as our support and also once acted as our resistance. So there are high chances that price might be aiming to go and retest this level before it even continues pushing to the downside. We might be expecting this retest and then we push going to the downside. And also we can see that we are forming some sort of a bearish flag right here. Okay, let's see if there's anything we can spot also on our 1 hourly time frame. Looking at our 1 hourly time frame, we can see that if price can come to retest this level, we'll be having some sort of a big head and shoulders pattern forming right here. As price is consolidating towards the upside, that simply means a loss of momentum on the buyer's side. The buyers don't have enough momentum to continue pushing price to the upside. Therefore, we might expect price to retest here and then we stop dropping. If not, it can just start dropping from here, depending on how also DXY acts. As this is the highest high in this current moment, this led to this highest high. We want it to be taken out, retest, and then we continue pushing to the downside. Those are our two options when it comes to Usdchf. But before I even continue, let me plug you guys. Surely we always hear people saying there are currency correlations, this currency correlates with this one, and we don't understand what is it exactly. It is a statistical measure of the extent that currency pairs are related in value and will move together. If two currencies go up at the same time, this represents the positive correlation, while if one appreciates and the other depreciates, that is a negative correlation. Learn more about correlations under Fast Bull. This is our Fast Bull website where I usually check my correlations, whereby, for example, we have Euro USD right here. Let's see which pair correlates with Euro USD with the high percentage. Looking at AUD USD, if we're looking at our 4 hourly time frame, they correlate 86.6% with Euro USD. And then what other pair? Okay, they say also Euro USD correlates with AUD CAD. AUD CAD on a daily time frame 95.1%. Let us continue. Moving on to Usdjpy, we are currently on a daily time frame. We will mark our highest high and our lowest low. And then where are we coming from? We are coming from an overall uptrend and we are able to draw a trend or construct a trend in it. Right here. Then from here, let us move on to our 4 hourly time frame. On our 4 hourly time frame, we can see that we have a trend inside the bigger trend, which is this small uptrend right here, which we have finally broke out of it. Let me just clone this and put it right here. And this being said, I'll remove this for now because it's making my chart look clumsy. And this being said, what can we see also? Let us spot our significant levels and draw it through our zones. I'll draw my zone right here. Why am I drawing it right here? Because we have a level whereby it's once acted as support and also acted as resistance, which makes it one significant level right there. Having another one right here, which also once acted as resistance and as support. So, and this being said, what are we expecting looking at our Usdjpy? First things first, we're coming from a small uptrend, impulsing to the upside, correcting towards the downside until price started correcting towards the upside, which right here we can put a small zone. Why? Because we rejected this level for quite some time. And also let us take our fib from where this impulse started to where it ended in order to see where price has higher chances in retesting before it even pushes to the downside. There are high chances that price might want to respect this level or even 618 fake out right here, covering the imbalance right here, this imbalance right here, before it even goes to the downside.
Thank you for watching my video till this far. If you enjoyed my video, just hit that like and subscribe button. Also make sure to share my video as much as possible, as it is just free information to you guys, and also share your opinion and other topics that you'll want me to speak about. Nonetheless, thank you for watching and peace out.